Making money with hand embroidery involves selling your work, offering custom designs, or teaching embroidery skills. Here's how to turn your craft into a profitable business. Sell handmade embroidery products. Create and sell embroidered clothing, accessories, home decor, or wall art on platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or your own website. Offer customized embroidery for wedding gifts, baby clothes, or pet portraits. Take custom orders. Promote your work on Instagram, Pinterest, or Facebook, and take commission projects. Offer personalized monograms on towels, bags, or jackets. Teach embroidery classes. Host in-person workshops or offer online classes on platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, or YouTube. Create a paid embroidery course or sell ebooks with step-by-step tutorials. Sell embroidery patterns and kits. Design digital embroidery patterns and sell them as downloadable PDFs. Offer DIY embroidery kits with fabric, needles, and instructions. Start an embroidery blog or YouTube channel. Share tutorials and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links.